Good day, good folks. Today, I'm gonna talk about how earrings affect the engineering. Now, I mean, how it is to do engineering with earrings, wearing engine earrings. Sound engineering, of course, yeah. Yeah, if I have earrings or dubs on while having a headset on, the metals change how the music vibrates, actually. So that's a very interesting topic. Metals. And how they change how it sounds. You know? That's a pretty interesting topic indeed. It can probably be applied in many other aspects of life. So that's my personal preference. Some stones have different abilities in a way. I think small stones are more precise than a big stone. While a big stone kind of gives you the whole picture. I don't know. In a way, it's kind of vague, to talk about it. But you can try it out and see if it works for you.